very much.
Now, as Vito mentioned, we are kumu hula, but we have real jobs. Meaning, that's not all we do. That's really our passion, but Vito's a mortgage banker, and I'm a high school teacher at Mid-Pacific Institute. And I get to, there's often, every year a class leaves and, you get really attached to them. And so I wrote this song about a year ago. And what it says is, because teenagers think every drama they go through, everything is like so huge, right? But at that age, what's important for us to instill in them is that they have this positive light and this beauty within that maybe others see. But if they will believe in themselves, that's what we try to do through hula, is to allow all of our students to believe that they all have a light that they can share. And so this is called The Light Within You. My sister is visiting here from Virginia, and her oldest daughter had her birthday yesterday, and her second daughter has her birthday tomorrow, so I want to wish both of you happy birthday. They're still young, so this is for you guys.